ready to level up your trading. Futures are where strategy meets opportunity. Here you're not just trading, you're predicting the market's direction. We've made futures trading accessible, powerful, and secure. In this video, you'll learn how to open your first futures position and unlock a whole new dimension of trading. From the top menu, go to the Futures section and select USD-AAM Futures. Once you're on the Futures page, click the green transfer arrow at the top of the screen to fund your account. In the pop-up window, enter the amount of the desired cryptocurrency to transfer from your spot wallet to your futures account. Then click Confirm. In the next step, first select your trading pair from the top left section of the screen. After selecting the trading pair, you need to choose the margin type for the trades, cross or isolated. In cross mode, your entire account balance is used as collateral. If the market moves against your prediction, the loss will be covered from your total balance. And if the loss continues, you may end up losing all your funds. In isolated mode, only a specific amount of your funds is used for each position. If the trade goes against you, only that amount is at risk, not your entire account balance. After selecting the isolated margin type, click the Switch to Isolated Mode button. Your margin type is now set to Isolated. In the next step, you need to specify the leverage for your trade. You can set the leverage for your trade up to 125x. After selecting your desired leverage, click the Confirm button. To place a trade, you can choose from 3 types of orders on the right side of the screen. Limit order, market order, stop order. After selecting your position type or order, specify the desired trade amount and click on the Open Long or Open Short button to start your trade. The trade has been successfully executed, and you can view all the details of your trade at the bottom of the screen. Also, note that by enabling the TP/SL option, you can set your take profit and stop loss levels for the trade. To close your trade, simply use the Quick Close section at the bottom of the screen. The trade is closed. That's it.